All right, I want to show you a little bit of some of the importance of labeling and kind of when it comes to word problems or contextual problems, which you will deal with, what we are talking about when we say certain words. So the first one that I want to go through is the angle that is between the horizontal and the incline. Horizontal and the incline. Okay, so when we talk about an incline, we're always talking about the line that is at an angle. So this line right here, you'll notice, is at an angle between these two parallel lines. This would be a horizontal, and this is a horizontal. Okay, that's what we talk about when we say horizontal. And the incline is going to be that line that is going up between there. We can also actually call that a transversal, goes between two parallel lines. We won't worry about that quite yet. We'll take care of that in grade 11. But for right now, we're going to call it an incline. So if we have a horizontal and an incline, okay, this is called our angle of inclination. Now, when I say incline also, we can talk about going up. So from here, we're going up, from here, we're going down, right? So here we're going up. So this angle right here is called the angle of inclination. All right, this is our angle of inclination. So that's this angle right here. So I'm going to put in right there. I'm going to try to just do a quick little spot. This is our angle of inclination. Okay, it's that angle right there. It's down below. We'll move that in there as it gets done. Okay, angle of inclination. That's that bottom piece. So it's between the bottom horizontal and a line that goes up. Now we also have this angle right here, which is between the horizontal and our decline. Okay, so the angle, and this will be very similar in horizontal. So the angle between the horizontal and the decline. Okay, so a line down. So that's this one here. So this is a line down. Okay, so incline, we could think of it going between. This is the angle going, when we're going down. Is also called the angle of declination. Okay, so it's angle of declination. So you'll notice here we have the angle of inclination or incline, and we also have an angle of declination or decline. So that is something that that we can be aware of, and that we need to make sure that we're watching out for, or that we are aware of. So angle of declination or decline. Okay. We could also call this the angle of elevation as well. Okay, so this one also can be considered elevation. We're elevating, and this one can also be the angle of depression. Okay, so it could also be elevation or it could be depression, and I'm going to just put those in on another color, just so we have another view of this here. We can also call this angle of depression. Okay, a depression is going down, right? So if we think of it, if you see it here, somebody is depressed, that means that they are really down. Okay, they're down, angle going down. So that's depression, and the angle of elevation is when we are going up. Okay, to elevate, we're bringing up. So if we want to think of it that way, elevate is going up. So we can think of it that way too. This is angle of depression, angle of elevation. Okay, elevate. Let's do elevation. There we go. Angle of elevation. We're going up. Okay, we're measuring how much of an angle we're going up at. Now the thing is, between these two angles, okay. So these two angles, if we have parallel lines right here, so going up and going down, these two angles are exactly the same. Okay, so they are actually equal in size. Okay, they are completely equal in size. In class, and I may do this in class when you are there, I like to do a demonstration where I stand up on a chair and I look down on students who are sitting. So now it's a little more drastic because I'm standing on the chair. If a student is looking up at me at the same time I'm looking down at them, our eyes are looking straight at each other. I am looking down at the same angle that they are looking up at me. Okay, so it's exactly the same angle we're looking at. So we may do a little demonstration in class to show that, but that is something to be aware of, that they are